ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಯೋಗ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇಂದಿನ ಯೋಗಾಭ್ಯಾಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯಾನದ ಭಂಗಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳಿತುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಿಟ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟೇಬ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್. ಕೀಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ನೆಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್, ಎರೆಕ್ಟ್. Adopt Chin Mudra, both the hands. So let us relax the ಪಂಚಕೋಶ, 5 ಕೋಶಗಳನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ನಮ್ಮ ಅಸ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಐಸ್. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ. ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂದಹಾಸ ಇರಲಿ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಕೋಶ, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಶರೀರ, ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅನ್ನಮಯ ಕೋಶ. ಲೆಟ್ us relax the whole body, starting from the toes to the head. ಶರೀರದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಗೊಳಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬರೋಣ. ಜರ್ನಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್. ಶರೀರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಯಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ಶರೀರದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಂಗಾಂಗಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡುತ್ತಾ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಗೊಳಿಸೋಣ. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಅನ್ನಮಯ ಕೋಶ, ಸ್ಥೂಲ ಶರೀರ, If any part of the body is causing pain, relax that particular part once again. Annamaya kosha is relaxing. Enhance this relaxation with Akara mantra and feel the vibration in the abdomen and the lower section of your body. Inhale. Now let us relax the Pranamaya kosha. ಎರಡನೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಣಮಯ ಕೋಶ, the most important vital part, the source of energy in our body. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅರಿವನ್ನು ಮೂಗಿನ ಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನಿ. Awareness on the tip of your nose and observe your breathing consciously. Inhalation and exhalation. Breathing with awareness. Control your breath, regulating the breath. Prana, the most important, vital part, source of energy in our body. Let the breathing be deep, slow and relaxed. Let our exhalation be longer than the inhalation. After a few rounds of breathing, feel the developments and changes. As we inhale, the whole body is energizing. As we exhale, relax the body, releasing all the dirt from the body. Pranamaya kosha also relaxing. Enhance this relaxation in the Pranamaya kosha by chanting Ukara mantra. Inhale, vibration of the Ukara in the thoracic region, middle part of the body. So now we are relaxing the Manomaya kosha, the third layer, the mind, very minute part. Mind is bundle of thoughts. So many thoughts coming and going. Allow the thoughts to come in. Don't analyze or criticize. Let go. ಮನಸ್ಸು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿಗೊಳಿಸಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಅಸಮತೋಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನಿವಾರಿಸಿ. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. Try to reduce the number of thoughts, giving rest to our mind. Manomaya Kosha is now relaxing. Enhance this relaxation by chanting Makara. Feel the vibration in the upper portion of your body. Inhale. So now let us relax the Vijnanamaya Kosha, Buddhi, intellect, very, very minute part. To discriminate between the good and the bad, right and the wrong. Slowly reduce the thoughts to single thought, preferably the Omkara, and place this Omkara on your Bhumadhya, in between the two eyebrows. Start focusing on the Omkara. Imagine its shape, its color, its power, its vibration, and the brightness. Cosmic energy, sun energy slowly enters to our body. A deep state of relaxation. Vijnanamaya Kosha is relaxing. Enhanced by chanting Makara mantra together. Inhale. Vibration throughout your body. Now focus to defocus, merging with the Omkara and relaxing the Anandamaya Kosha, state of happiness, blissfulness, joining the Jivatma with the Paramatma, inner soul with the universal soul. Enhancing the relaxation in the Anandamaya Kosha with Omkara mantra, 3 rounds. Inhale. Vibration of the Omkara, each and every part of your body. Slowly bring the hands to Namaskara Mudra, opening prayer. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunatu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently take back your hands, make fist in your right hand, hold your right wrist with the left. As you inhale, bend back a little, exhale and bend forward to Shashankasana, if possible, touching the forehead on the ground. Understanding the meaning. Let him protect us both, Guru and Shishya. Let him nourish us. Let us understand and work together. Faith, confidence, belief. Let us not hate each other. Let there be peace around the world, surrounding us and within us. Salute the Almighty. Slowly come back. Inhalation. Release your hands. Gently rub the palm. And make up. Surround your eyes with 3 massage the facial muscles. And open your eyes with blinking. Now release your legs slowly and relax in Shitila Dandhasana, Vishram, moving the toes, ankle joints. Now we are going to start Sukshma Vyayama for strengthening of our neck muscles. And sit in Dandhasana. Keep your body straight, face relaxed, smiling. Slowly now, let us slowly turn our head to the right and the left with breathing. First inhalation. As we exhale, turn head slowly to the right side. Inhale and come to center. Exhale to your left side. Possible, you can close your eyes. Come back, second round. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come to center. Relax. Observe the changes. Slowly open the eyes. Blinking. Come up. Now let us bend and relax. Inhale. Exhale to your right side. Touching the right shoulder. Inhale center. Exhale to your left side. Without raising your shoulder muscles, come back. Continue. Keep your face relaxed with the smile. Sukshma Vyayama to strengthen our neck muscles. Full of awareness. Complete 3 rounds. Slowly relax. Observe the changes. Now, forward and backward movement. Again, keep the spine straight, body free. As you inhale, bring your leg backward, touching the back. Exhale, bring the head forward, touching your chest. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale. Relax for a few seconds. So now let us slowly, carefully do the continuation by rotation. Okay. Bring the chin, touching the chest. As you inhale, bring the head to the right shoulder, the back. Exhale to the near the left shoulder and back to the starting point. Continue. Second round. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Relax for a few seconds. Observe the changes. Now do the same in the complement left side. Inhale anti-clockwise. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Gently bring the hands, rub your palms, make up, massage facial muscles and open your eyes. Relax in Shithila Dandhasana. Observe the changes in your neck region and relax. So one more Sukshma Vyayama now for our knees. Patella movement. Always join your legs together. Keep both the hands over the right knee, patella. Slowly move your patella upward with inhalation and push it back down, exhalation. Up, down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now move the patella to left side. Inhale, exhale right. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now let us move the cross. Up, inhale, down, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Support of your fingers moving up and down. Cross movement. Similarly, opposite side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as possible as you can. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now same practice in the left side. Very comfortable position. Body erect. Up. Inhale. Down. Push it down. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Similarly, left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, cross movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Opposite side. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. So now, when slowly try to rotate with your palms, keep both the hands over the patella gently and push your kneecap a little, gently rotate to right and to the left side. Continue this also for about 3 rounds. Gently try to move about 5 to 10 degrees. Slight movement. Breathing and rotating. Relaxing. Now we'll relax with breathing, direct breathing. Join your legs, hands beside your body, Dandasana. As you inhale, your kneecap goes inside, exhale, comes up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now, let us relax. In Shithila Dandhasana, observe the changes, relax. Vishranti. Kneecap exercise. Very, very useful practice. Strengthen our knee muscles. So now let us practice breathing exercise. First, to strengthen our knees by folding the legs. First, Dandasana. Keep both the hands below the right knee. As you inhale, fold the right leg, push back the thigh, pressing the abdomen. Exhale, release. Similarly, left side. Inhale, exhale, relax. Inhale, 2 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax and observe the knee joints, thighs, calf muscles, and Vishranti. So breathing exercise, let us continue. Forward bending, Paschimotthana breathing. Keep your body free, right? So now as you inhale, bring your hands gently above the head, up. Exhale and bend forward without lifting the knees. Try to bring the hands near the toes. Continue the practice, slowly up. Inhale, exhale, suck the abdomen inward. Continue this for 5 times, breathing and practicing Paschimotthana. Now come back to relaxing Vishranti, Shitila Dandasana. Relaxing. Janu Shirsasana breathing. How to do this? Slowly join the legs, Dandasana, and fold your right leg and lock your heel to the perineum. Very comfortable position. Again, keep your body free, light. Inhale, take the hands up. As you exhale, bend forward, catch your foot, bring the forehead close to the left knee. Continue. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Come back to relaxation, Vishranti. Observe the changes in your spine muscles, shoulder muscles, abdominal muscles. Let us now do the same practice in the left side. Again, come to Sthiti, Dandasana, and fold your left leg. Very comfortable position. Again, breathing, inhale, exhale, hold the right leg. Continue, inhale, exhale, inhale, and exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. Slowly come back to Vishranti, Shitila Dandasana. Observing our back muscles, abdominal muscles, neck muscles. So now we'll continue this breathing practice in standing. Slowly come to Tadasana, taking the support of your right leg, standing and practicing. So keep your legs about 1 meter apart. This is Trikona Asana. ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್. ಉಸಿರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ತ್ರಿಕೋನಾಸನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಕಾಲುಗಳು ಒಂದು 3 ಅಡಿಗಳಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ಇರಲಿ. As you inhale, bring the arms in the shoulder level. Now as you exhale, slowly turn to your right side. Bring the right hand near the right leg and say the left hand. Come back with inhalation. Now turn gently to the left side. Exhale. Keep both the hands in the same line. Continue this for 5 times. Inhale, center. Exhale. 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 Come back to relaxing Vishranti. Observe the changes in your waist region, thighs, knee muscles, shoulder muscles. The next practice is Parivrata Trikonasana. It's a little difficult practice, but those who are having backache, heart-related problems, carefully practice or just observe for a few days. Then if possible, you can try. Keep your legs about 1 meter apart. As you inhale, slowly bend forward. As you exhale, bring your right hand near the left leg and say the left hand. Come back with inhalation. As you exhale, bring your left hand outside the right leg, say the right hand. Continue, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Observe the twisting in your back region, abdominal region. So this is Parivrata Trikonasana. Breathing slowly, coming back to Vishranti. Shitila Tadasana. Relaxation. Observe the whole body relaxing. So now we'll continue routine practice of Surya Namaskara. First, slow. Right side. So now let us practice Surya Namaskara. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಶ್ಲೋಕ. ಹಿರಣ್ಮಯೇನ ಪಾತ್ರೇಣ ಸತ್ಯಶಾಪಿಹಿತಂ ಮುಖಂ ತತ್ ತ್ವಂ ಪೂಷಣ್ಣ ಪಾವೃಣು ಸತ್ಯಧರ್ಮಾಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಯೇ. ಓಂ ಹ್ರಾಂ ಮಿತ್ರಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಊರ್ಧ್ವಾಸನ, ರಹಸ್ಯಾಸನ, ಅಶ್ವಸಂಚಾಲನಾಸನ, ಧನ್ಯಾಸನ, ಶಶಾಂಕಾಸನ, ಸಾಷ್ಟಾಂಗ ಪ್ರಣೀಪಾತಾಸನ, ಊರ್ಧ್ವಮುಖ ಶ್ವಾನಾಸನ, ಅಧೋಮುಖ ಶ್ವಾನಾಸನ, ಶಶಾಂಕಾಸನ, ಅಶ್ವಸಂಚಾಲನಾಸನ, ಪಾದಹಸ್ತಾಸನ, ಊರ್ಧ್ವಾಸನ, ಸಮಸ್ತ. ಓಂ ಹೀಂ ರವಯೇ ನಮಃ. ಏಕಂ inhale, three, exhale, त्रीणि, inhale, चत्वारि, exhale, पञ्च, inhale and exhale, षट्, exhale, hold the breath, सप्त, inhale, अष्ट, exhale, नव, inhale and exhale, दश, inhale, एकादश एक्सेल, द्वादश इन्हेल, स्थिति ॐ ह्रं सूर्याय नमः। ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, दंडासन, शशांकासन, साष्टांग प्रणिपातासन, ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, शशांकासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, पादहस्तासन, ऊर्ध्वासन स्थितिः। ॐ ह्रीं भानवे नमः। एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश स्थितिः। ॐ ह्रौं कघाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, दंडासन, शशांकासन, साष्टांग प्रणिपातासन, ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, शशांकासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, पादहस्तासन, ऊर्ध्वासन स्थितिः। ॐ रः ऊष्णे नमः। एकं इन्हेल, द्वे एक्सेल, त्रीणि इन्हेल, चत्वारि एक्सेल, पञ्च इन्हेल एंड एक्सेल, षट् एक्सेल होल्ड द ब्रेथ, सप्त इन्हेल, अष्ट एक्सेल, नव इन्हेल एंड एक्सेल, दश इन्हेल, एकादश एक्सेल, द्वादश इन्हेल, स्थिति एक्सेल। ॐ ह्रां हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, दंडासन, शशांकासन, साष्टांग प्रणिपातासन, ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, शशांकासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, पादहस्तासन, ऊर्ध्वासन स्थितिः। ॐ ह्रीं मरीचये नमः। एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश स्थितिः। ॐ ह्रं आदित्याय नमः। ऊर्ध्वासन, पादहस्तासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, दंडासन, शशांकासन, साष्टांग प्रणिपातासन, ऊर्ध्वमुख श्वानासन, अधोमुख श्वानासन, शशांकासन, अश्वसंचालनासन, पादहस्तासन, ऊर्ध्वासन, पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश स्थितिः ॐ ह्रौं अर्काय नमः ऊर्ध्वासन पादहस्तासन अश्वसञ्चालनासन दण्डासन शशाङ्कासन साष्टाङ्गप्रणिपातासन ऊर्ध्वमुखश्वानासन अधोमुखश्वानासन शशाङ्कासन अश्वसञ्चालनासन पादहस्तासन ऊर्ध्वासन नमस्ते ओम भास्कराय नमः एकं द्वे त्रीणि चत्वारि पञ्च षट् सप्त अष्ट नव दश एकादश द्वादश स्थितिः ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्यनारायणाय नमः. Now relax by walking. Relaxation, observing the entire body becoming flexible. So by doing one Surya Namaskara, about 250 parts of our body is energized. So now let us practice Shavasana. Slowly lie down on your back. Gently. ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಯಾಗಿ ಮಲಗಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Lie down on your back. Legs apart, ಕಾಲು ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಕೈಗಳು ಶರೀರದಿಂದ ದೂರ ಇರಲಿ. Eyes are closed and face relaxed with the smiling. Today let us practice quick relaxation technique, QRT. Tvarita Vishrantiya Shavasana in 3 stages. The first stage, slowly bring your awareness on your abdomen and observe the abdominal movement. Abdomen is bulging and sinking. Bulges up and sinking down. So one bulging and sinking is considered as one round. Let us practice for 5 times and count mentally from the descending order. ಅವರೋಹಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ 5 ಬಾರಿ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಉಬ್ಬುವಿಕೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಗ್ಗುವಿಕೆ. ಉಸಿರಾಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಬೇಡ, ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ ಹಾಗೇ ಇರಲಿ. Shavasana, relaxing body and the mind. The second phase of the QR, synchronizing the movement of your abdomen with the breathing. As we inhale, abdomen bulges up. As we exhale, abdomen sinking down. Deep inhalation, abdomen bulges like a balloon. Slow exhalation, abdomen sinking completely. Continue this also 5 times. Again count mentally from the descending order. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಣಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಳವಾದಂಥ ದೀರ್ಘವಾದ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯು ಬಲೂನಿನಂತೆ ಉಬ್ಬಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಕುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಾ ಬರಲಿ. During inhalation, our lungs will be filled with oxygen. During exhalation, lungs becomes empty with the release of carbon dioxide. Completing 5 rounds. Now let us practice the final phase of the QRT. Breathing with feelings, awareness. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Slowly bring your awareness on the tip of the nose. As you inhale deeply, feel the cool and atmospheric air enters into the nostrils. Through the trachea, it enters to our lungs. Our body is energizing and becoming light. As you exhale slowly, continuously, feel the warm air coming out. Relax your body. Release all the tension, stress, worries. Enjoying the relaxation. Continue this also 5 times. ಉಸಿರು ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಒಳಗೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಿಡುವಾಗ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅನುಭವವನ್ನು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Deep breathing, giving beautiful exercise to your abdominal muscles. During inhalation, let us take all the positive thoughts inside. During exhalation, remove the negative thoughts outside. Enhance the relaxation further by chanting one Akara mantra in a low pitch during the exhalation, and feel the vibration of Akara in the abdomen and the lower parts of the body. Inhale. Totally relax, completely relax. Slowly move the whole body from the toes to the head. Feel the lightness, freshness, alertness. Join your legs together, hands touching the body. Place your left palm on the chest. Take the right hand above the head along the ground. Fold the left leg and now slowly turn to your right side. Keep your left leg over the right, left palm on the left thigh, and enjoying the linear awareness. ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವದ ಸುಖವನ್ನು ಅನುಭವಿಸಿ. Place your left palm on the ground in front of the chest with the support of both the hands. Slowly now coming to any comfortable sitting position and rub your palm. Then make up, surround your eyes, massage your facial muscles, and open your eyes, blinking. Friends, now let us practice few asanas. First in standing, come to Tadasana. So Vriksha Asana. How to practice Vriksha? A tree posture. Gently join your legs together and slowly ekam, fold your right leg, lock it.
Namaskar.
Dve, bring the arms, hands slowly to the vertical position. Join the palms. So please relax with the smiling. Concentrate on one point.
जो जगमग में आग तेरा साईं तुझ में है, जाग सके तो जाग। दोस्तों, हम अपनी खुशियों को
Slowly release. Treni Chatwari. This asana improves our concentration, memory power, and removes the lethargy from the body. Also helps us to balance our body.
बड़ा खजाना
Complementary, join the legs, ekam, hold the left leg
और ध्यान के अभ्यास से
and
हम
slowly take the hands to Anjali
अपने आप से
Mudra.
मिल सकते हैं
A one point concentration, eyes open,
उस खजाने को
breathing
एक
normal.
बार फिर से प्राप्त कर सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों थोड़ी देर में मैं आपको एक गाइडेड मेडिटेशन कराऊंगा। ये ध्यान बुद्ध का ध्यान है, आनापानासति मेडिटेशन। साइंस ने आज ही प्रूव कर दिया है
Slowly come back, training.
हमारा तनाव,
Chatwari. Now relax and observe the changes.
स्ट्रेस, डिप्रेशन ठीक हो
Let us practice Ardha Kathi Chakrasana, bending the body from the waist region. Very, very useful asana. How to practice? Come to Sthiti, Tadasana. As you inhale, Ekam, bring the right hand slowly parallel to the ground. Exhale and turn the palm upward. Inhale further and take it to the vertical position and stretch your arms. Stretch it. Face always relaxed. Now they exhale and slowly bending towards your left side.
15 मिनट तक
Final round, close your eyes. Breathing normal. Observe all the changes in the waist region. Right waist, stretching, compression in your left waist. Observe the changes in your lower back. Breathing normal. Trini, inhale, again stretching the arm. Chatwari, partially exhale as you reach the horizontal position, turn the palm down, exhale completely and relax. Same asana in left side. Ekam, inhale, ಎಡಕೈಯನ್ನು ನೆಲಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮಾನಾಂತರವಾಗಿ ತಂದು ಹಸ್ತವನ್ನು ಮೇಲ್ಮುಖ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಕೈಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತುತ್ತಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಈಗ ದ್ವೇ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಲಭಾಗಕ್ಕೆ ತಿರುಗ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಸೊಂಟದ ಭಾಗ, ಬೆನ್ನಿನ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನತೆ ಇರಲಿ. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಉಸಿರಾಟ, ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮುಚ್ಚಿ. ಸ್ಥಿರಂ ಚಿರಂ ಸುಖಂ ಆಸನ, ನಿರಾಯಾಸವಾಗಿ ಆಸನವನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೇ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ತ್ರೀಣಿ, ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್, ಚತ್ವಾರಿ, ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್, ಟರ್ನ್, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತಿ, ಶಿಥಿಲ, Tadasana. Observe your waist muscles, back muscles, thighs. Very, very useful asana. So now let us practice Trikonasana, making a triangle in our body. Keep your legs about 1 meter apart. As you inhale, bring the hands on the shoulder level. Gently turn your right leg to the right side. Now exhale, slowly bend towards your right side. Without bending the right knee, try to bring your right hand near the right leg, outside the right leg. Now turn your face, see your left hand. You can close your eyes, breathing normal. Trini, inhale. Now let us do the same asana in the left side. Exhale. Slowly try to keep both the hands in the same line.
आपका मन शांत होने लगा है।
Come back, Trini.
अपनी चेतना को
Chatwari, relax. Now just slowly come to sitting position. Relaxing.
बाहर जाती हुई सांस,
Shithila Dandhasana.
कोई सजेशन नहीं देना मन को।
Relax. So now let us practice sitting asanas. ಕುಳಿತು ಮಾಡುವ ಆಸನಗಳು. ಮೊದಲು ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಉತ್ಥಾನ ಆಸನ. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? Dandasana. When you come to Sthiti, Dandasana. Ekam, inhale and bring your hands, both the hands parallel to the ground. Dve, further inhale and take the hands slowly to the vertical position. Please relax, smiling. Trini, partially exhale and bring the hands slowly parallel to the ground. Chatwari, exhale and try to catch your toes for the feet. Try to bring your forehead close to the knees. Breathing normal. Observe all the changes in your spine muscles, abdominal muscles, thoracic muscles. Feel the blood rushing to your head region. Breathing normal. Paschimotthana asana. Pancha. Inhale. Shata further inhale. Saptaha exhale. Ashtaha complete exhale and relaxing. Shitila Dandasana. So now complementary asana to Paschima Utthana, Ustrasana with the limitations. Those who are having low BP, vertigo or suffering from severe knee joint pains, please avoid for the time being. Slowly join the legs and fold your legs one by one to Vajrasana. Ekam, Dve, with the support of your hands, slowly stand on the knees. First, let us practice half Ustrasana. Keep both the palms on your waist, support your waist. Gently bring the head backward, carefully. And those who are having practice, newcomers, just to start with half Ustrasana. So full Ustrasana, bringing your hands over the hips. Come back slowly and relax in Vajrasana. Observe the whole body. Relaxation. Release your legs and relaxation. So now let us practice to pranayama. Before pranayama, let us practice the kriya of Kapalabhati. If you can come to Vajrasana and or any other asana, Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Padmasana. First let us practice the Kapalabhati Kriya. Single nostril Kapalabhati. ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಮೂಗಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ರಭಸವಾಗಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಶರೀರದ ಕಲ್ಮಶಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಲಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಸಿಕ ಮುದ್ರವನ್ನು ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Adopt Nasika Mudra in the right hand. See, folding your index and the middle finger, remaining all the three fingers straight. Slowly close your left nostril with the ring and the last finger. Observe the breathing in your right nostril. Initially, practitioners do for 20 to 30 times. Continuous and forcible exhalation to the right. Slowly stop the practice. Observe your breathing. So now complementary, same Nasika Mudra. Close your right nostril with the thumb. Observe the breathing in the left side. Kapalabhati to the left side. So initially, those who are practicing, do it carefully. Start with 10 rounds, improve gradually 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So you can practice like that. So now we will practice one preparatory pranayama called as Vibhagiya pranayama. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಧಮ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ, ಆದ್ಯ. ಮೊದಲು ಅಧಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ವಜ್ರಾಸನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸಿಟ್ ವಜ್ರಾಸನ ಆರ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಆಸನ. ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಮುದ್ರ ಚಿನ್ಮುದ್ರ, ತೊಡೆಯ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬೆನ್ನು ಕತ್ತು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗದ ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಿ ಉಸಿರು ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದರೆ ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಹಿಡಿದುಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಕುಂಭಕ 1 2 3 4. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ಬಿಡುವಾಗ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಕುಗ್ಗುತ್ತಾ ಒಳಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುವುದನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ನಂತರ ಕುಂಭಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ 1 2 3 4. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ 5 ಬಾರಿ. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್, ಅಬ್ಡಮನ್ ಬಲ್ಜಸ್ ಆಫ್, ಅಂತರ ಕುಂಭಕ 1 2 3 4. ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್, ಬಾಹ್ಯ ಕುಂಭಕ 1 2 3 4. Inhale 1 2 3 4. Exhale 1 2 3 4. Inhale 1 2 3 4. Exhale 1 2 3 4. Stop the practice. Observe the changes. ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮಧ್ಯಮ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ, ಥೊರಾಸಿಕ್ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಚಿನ್ಮುದ್ರಾದಿಂದ ಚಿನ್ಮಯ ಮುದ್ರೆ 3 ಬೆರಳುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಡಿಸಿ ಹಸ್ತದ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತೊಡೆಯ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಬೆನ್ನು ಕತ್ತು ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ, ಥೊರಾಸಿಕ್. ಆಸ್ ಯು ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಯುವರ್ ಚೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಜ್. ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಆಕುಂಚಿತಗೊಳಿಸಬೇಕು. ಉಸಿರನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ ಹೃದಯ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಬ್ಬಿಸಿ ಉಸಿರು ಬಿಡುತ್ತಾ ಎದೆಯ ಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಕುಗ್ಗಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಯ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಚಲನೆ ಇರಬಾರದು. ನೋ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಬ್ಡಾಮಿನಲ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಫೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. Thoracic breathing, Madhyama Pranayama. Slowly stop the practice, relaxing. Adhya Pranayama, clavicular breathing. ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಆದಿ ಮುದ್ರೆಗೆ ತನ್ನಿ, ಮತ್ತು ಬೆನ್ನು ಕತ್ತು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆಸ್ ಯು ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್, gently raise your collarbones up and back. Exhale and release, relax. Avoid the movement of your abdomen and the thoracic. Continue 5 times. Adhya Pranayama, clavicular breathing. Practicing of preparatory pranayama, Vibhagiya ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮವನ್ನು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Complete 5 rounds and observe the changes, relaxing. ಪೂರ್ಣ ಶ್ವಾಸ, ಫುಲ್ ಯೋಗಿಕ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್. ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ಮುದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನಿ. ನಾವು ಈ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಬೆನ್ನು ಕತ್ತು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಧಮ, ಮಧ್ಯಮ, ಆದ್ಯ ಮೂರನ್ನೂ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್, ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್, all the three together. ಫುಲ್ ಯೋಗಿಕ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್. ಮೂರೂ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗ ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಉಸಿರಾಟವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಿ. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್, ಇನ್ಹಲೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲೇಷನ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ರೀದಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್, ಸರಳ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ. Observe the length of your breathing. Breathing is becoming slow. Let us now close the session with closing prayer. Slowly bring the hands to Namaskara Mudra. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Slowly take back your hands. Make fist in the right hand. Hold your right fist with the left. Inhale, bend back. As you exhale, bend forward to Shashankasana. Understand the meaning of the prayer. Let each and everyone be healthy. No one suffer from any diseases. Let me not see anybody suffering. Let each and everyone say good and auspicious things. Let there be peace around the world, surrounding us and within us. Salute the Mother Earth, Guru Patanjali, parents, Guru. Inhale and slowly come up. Release your hands. Gently rub the palms. Generate little heat, makeup, surround your eyes. Gently massage facial muscles and open your eyes with your blinking and inking. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.